Dear students, today we will talk about how to make ray diagram of refraction of light step by step. Now, here we have some idea to draw it. You know what is refraction? The phenomena of the change in the path of light as it passes obliquely from one transparent medium to another is called refraction of light. Now, the path along which the light travels in the first medium is called incident ray, and that in the second medium is called refracted ray. So, first of all, we have to draw a horizontal line to indicate separation between rarer and denser medium like this. Here we have rarer medium, and below this line here we have denser medium. Here light passes from optically rarer to denser medium. Now we have place a point of incidence here like this. Now place the center of the protector at this point like this, and the baseline of the protector along this horizontal line. Okay, what we have done? We have placed the center of the protector at this point of incidence like this, and baseline of the protector along this horizontal line. Find 90 degree on the scale of protector here and make a small dot at the edge of protector. Now again calculate 10, 20, 30, 40 and 50 degree from this 90 degree point and make a small dot here which came on 40 degree on the scale. What we have done? Find 90 degree on the scale of protector and make a small dot at the edge of protector. Also calculate 50 degree, 10, 20, 30, 40 and 50 degree from this 90 degree point and make a small dot here. We are looking, the dot came at 40 degree on the scale. Okay. Now remove the protector and join the point of incidence to both of these points, 90 degree point and this point, like this separately. Okay. Now again here we have the point of incidence. So now again place the center of the protector at the point of incidence like this below this horizontal line. Calculate 30 degree, 10, 20, 30. Calculate 30 degree from this 90 degree point and make a small dot here like this. Remove the protector and join the point of incidence to this dot like this. Here our ray diagram is ready. Now we are going from air to glass, rarer to denser, optically rarer to optically denser medium. Here we have incident ray. Now this one is our incident ray which came from rarer medium, and this one is our normal. This is our refracted ray, bends towards normal because we are going from air to glass, rarer, optically rarer to optically denser medium. Here the angle between incident ray and normal is called angle of incidence. So this one is our angle of incidence. We can say it is I. This is our angle of incidence. Now the angle between normal and refracted ray, this is our angle of refraction. We can say it is R. So it is angle of incidence I, the angle between normal and incident ray, and the angle of refraction, here we have R, the angle between normal and refracted ray. This is our angle of refraction. Okay. So the angle of incidence here is 50 degree and angle of refraction here is 30 degree we have drawn earlier. So this is our refraction of light, and we have make it step by step. Please do this. Thanks.